Yep. I have the ashtray over here too. Oh, dude, put that down. Don't smoke. Bro, you're gonna throw up everywhere. You're gonna throw up all over, bro. I'm trying to don't eat really healthy, bro. Yeah, but you have to do it for like a week. You have to eat healthy for like a week, bro. No, but I'm eating really healthy, bro. Damn, Matt, that's nice. What if he's work like the same? It's like the order book, yeah. It's like the orders. But you are a man, yeah. Like an indicator, just yeah, it's an indicator. Yes. Yeah, that'd be pretty silly. It's unneeded, very unnecessary on your end if you did. Yeah, the pre-market's the pre-market is the best. It's the best. It's the best. It's the easiest. It just moves because what it does, the pre-market is like it moves and then it just makes a move. You know, hey, what was that? He's in the. Oh, please unplug it. Did she leave it plugged in? At least she didn't do that. I mean, we got all this. Maybe even tap the gap. Who knows? I don't think it'll come all the way to the gap just because of like. But that's kind of what I'm actually waiting for though, is to see if it comes back to that gap at all. I'm like, wait, I'm giving it a little bit more time. But then again, it looks like this liquidity right here is what is going to be now our buy side liquidity. That seems to be buy side now, which means that we would attack sell side down here if we're going to go all the way down. If not, right here would be where we hit this, move up, and then back down. But I mean, it's just pretty. Looks like it's going to go down. You know, it's just pretty clear on this one. But I don't know. That is still not to say that it is. There's still that opening gap there. So just maybe sit back for a few minutes since we missed this big move anyway. But if you do play the VWAP, there was your tap, Eddie. The VWAP, huh? Yeah. Go back. Right, right here, this would have been fine. Look, I would have waited right here for this candle. The white line. Moving average. The white line's this. Yeah, that's the VWAP. The white one's the VWAP. Oh, the blue one's the moving average. The blue's the moving. I have mine. Change. Oh, this song's a heater, bro. Think I'm losing control. I think I'm losing control. Boom, boom. Bro, I'm gonna literally make this so easy for people today. Literally, this is so easy today. I literally just called out where the liquidity was, where the buy side was, where the buy side is, right here. All right. Here's your sell side. Buy side got taken. Sell side is going to get attacked. Easy. Very, very easy here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. We're getting tired. Look, there's a lot less buyers down here. So the market is going to have a little bit more trouble moving down into there, but it's going to absorb those buyers because this emptiness down here. It's very likely that we see that to taking as well. I think I'm losing control. I just gave you guys a good amount of pips there. 10 from here down to this previous day low. We want to see the previous day low get taken out. See, it's going to offer some resistance there, like I just said. Looks like we're getting exhausted. We're going to see these get absorbed slowly, but see, there's your resistance right there at the previous daily low. Watch it tap this little supply zone right here. Maybe I'll push back down right here on this. Or tap this EMA. If it doesn't, then it's going to go back for this gap fill before it goes down, which was what I was saying earlier. But this is ultimately the sell side that's going to get taken. But also, as I had just said, from this move down, we could exhaust here, change the direction just briefly. But I noticed that there was a lower amount of orders in this area. So let's see what happens here. Another bounce off the VWAP is going to mean that we're going straight down, like through all of this. If we find support at the VWAP, then my target is the opening range gap, which would then lead to us going back down. I'm overall bearish bias for today. And interestingly enough, if you look, here's where this kind of liquidity area is sitting, and it's kind of falling right into this fair value gap a little bit, right? So I just kind of showed you like how these things that's showing you actually like what a fair value gap means in the market. Like that's where orders are kind of left. So the market's going to want to move back to get them before it goes back down in its original direction. We'll probably see this get taken, and then we'll probably see a fat order pop up there. Oh, what am I listening to? This is horrible. Oh,
Yeah, I'm listening.
you should have said something, Well, God damn it. Well, you should have been like, Dan,
Sorry.
I know you can do better than that.
I didn't want to distract you at the time.
No, it's okay. Hey, and okay, no, I want to say something, out loud. Like, bro, the message you sent me yesterday meant a lot to me. Yesterday or the day before, I don't remember, but I don't know if you even know that, but yeah, the day that you sent me that message on the day of my accident, like my 1 year anniversary, that was a very it meant a lot to me to get that from you, bro, and it means a lot to me that I'm able to help you out, and just teach you things. That's why I'm doing this. So that was really cool. I just want to say that meant a lot to me, man. Thank you. Really cool. Now I'm gonna hold you to it, bro. You're coming to America, man. You're coming to fucking America, bro. Good look, Eddie. Look at this double top right here. Double top on the EMA. Weather's doji on the EMA. Guys, this is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. Sell signal. Sell signal.
Yeah.
Now, do we have the risk tolerance to set our stops this high? I would not advise, because that is a 10-point stop.
Thank you to you too.
No problem, man. No problem. That is a 10-point stop, so I would not trail that stop. I would maybe trail it to here. This is going to be should be pretty nice trade here. And don't be scared if we come back up just to pull a little bit more liquidity out of the market. But oh, wow! Or you just get a big gigantic boner candle, right as I say it. Oh, okay. I can't understand what you're saying. Oh shit, dude! President Biden speaks today. Holy shit! FOMC Waller speaks today. That's not good. And consumer credit. So what the market's probably going to do right now, actually, guys, honestly, I didn't even know about news aggregation like that, but or the news aggregators like that. Well, let's just explain this really quickly. So look, the market moved back down. It did not break. It did not get to the sell side. It hit the previous day's low. Okay, I saw the little bit of orders there. There was a lack of orders. It's reversing now, so now it's purged the sell side. So or the buy side. So now this is no longer a supply level. We would adjust and make this a new supply level up here. So this would be the new supply level. And let me do this here. Okay. And now we want to see this like a wick, which means it's just grabbing liquidity and then coming back down. That's what we want to see. If we base over the buy side, then this becomes a demand zone, and we're going to go to this opening range. I kind of had mentioned that earlier, that I think that it might still go up to the opening range. I think it was a little bit early to tell, but let's see. I mean, we just have all of this, which we've kind of actually hold on. Let's see. We're like right in the 50% mark of this fair value gap. So actually, this would be kind of like the turning point. Let's see here what happens here. And yeah, look, there's no more liquidity here. See that? There's zero liquidity there, like none. It's just people's stop losses up there. So it might go hunt for these stops. What? I'm looking. Yeah, the U.S. dollar is literally opposite. That's what I've explained. Shoot up because the Nasdaq shot down. If the U.S. dollar goes up, the Nasdaq goes down. This is yeah, no, I am right here. This is the S&P. I switched screens. Yeah, But wait a minute. Wait for this candle to close. What is? Oh, Patrick's not streaming today. That's weird. Here it goes. See, I told you it was going to come back. Now, we just want to see this close. The reason I'm not buying this candle here, the reason I'm not shorting this candle here is because I'm waiting for a pullback, guys. Just... My only concern is how hard we based right here. My only slight concern is that yesterday's low became support, but I don't think so. However, we do have a breaker block right here. So this would be a breaker block setup, and we did fall perfectly into it. So let's just wait for a few more things to confirm the downside, because after such a big move like this, it's expected we're going to go down, but not immediately. It's expected that the market's going to balance back out, which is kind of what it's doing. I still think that there's some more balancing that needs to be done, but I'm just not sure yet enough to where I'd want to go trade. Fridays tend to be downward days, yeah. Yeah, Friday. Correct. That's what we want. See this area? See that? And it was no kilo. Are you gonna trade, Eddie? This is a pretty good one right here. Oh, this better not be the type of day where I just like get fucked for no reason. I wanted to buy. I don't know why it says to buy. You know. Nah, I mean it's a pretty solid trade. Pretty what? Solid trade. Just that we don't have a lot of liquidity down here anymore, so I'm kind of like wondering. Sure. Yeah. A little bit. Nobody. Oh no! Wow! Don't do me like that. Don't make me fucking have to work this hard today. Holy shit. My gut was telling me to cut this a few minutes ago because I didn't like that it was bouncing. My cat started playing with me. Come on. Do what you're told. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want all this down here. You want this down here. I had to take the tray. What? I had to take the tray. No, I was already in. When you're going to take the entry? Oh, I already was in it. Yeah. There we go. I just have to pass. Well, the test is passed now, so now I'm just going for bonus, really. Oh, easy. That was the apex, the apex. Test passed. I took one trade today. It was a little bit scary for a moment there. Just a little bit. But I mean, we stayed under this. Watch this. So the previous day's low is broken here again. Remember, this is buy side here. This became sell side again. This became the internal sell side liquidity right here. And this is the internal sell side liquidity here. Okay, so these are going to get flushed. Bro, I'm freezing cold, dude. I don't know, it's like a thing that keeps happening in the morning. Yeah, see, look, and then this is gonna be an example of divergence right here. Look. ES made a lower low. NQ made a higher low. You want to long the NQ right now. When this happens, you long the NQ immediately, and as you can see, boom. It'll get you a couple points, nothing crazy. But
sorry,
it's a quick.
Dan,
Yeah.
Sorry, Dan, can you repeat what you just said?
Yes. So SMT divergence occurs when the two charts that are usually conjoined are disjointed. So that's how you know that one thing is going to do something before the other does. So in this example right here, fuck. Okay. So right here, see how this comes down? We make a lower high, and then we come down right here, and we would be expecting it to go lower, right?
Yeah.
Because lower lows, right? Yeah. Here, it did the same thing. If we line these charts up exactly, right? Look, it went higher high, lower low, lower high, and then this made a lower low already. Like this candle keep in mind, we can only see right here. Right? So that's all we can see. So I'm trying to make it so we can't see this. Damn it. Sorry. I'm trying to figure out how to do this the best. Okay, whatever. So when you see this and you see that next candle,
Yeah.
and it's like it starts to be green, and you see that this already came down and took out this low, but this isn't, that means the liquidity in the market was grabbed already. The ES took the liquidity, okay?
Okay.
So that means that the NQ is not going to need to go as low.
Oh.
That means it's going to be satisfied. Like the ES satisfied the low that was needed right here. It grabbed the liquidity. And so it's going to go back up. They're both going to go up here, but you want to go on this one because this is a stronger one.
Yeah.
It's just a way to find like divergent. It's on larger time frames, it's a lot stronger and you'll get bigger moves. Like if you see it on like a 15-minute time frame or something, like I'm trying to see if there's anything. Actually, like right here, literally. This is a really good example. Look at this candle right here and this right here. This is the 15-minute. Okay, so keep in mind, this right here is actually like pretty big, you know? It's a lot of time.
Yeah.
This is 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Look, the ES went down. Even though it was a green candle, it closed below this.
Yeah.
The NQ in this candle right here, it broke the high of this. It satisfied, it pulled the liquidity. Here, we fell short of it.
Yeah.
So this would tell me that there's about to be a big move because this chart needs to catch up to this chart.
Yeah.
Because this one's going down and this one made an up. So it's going to now catch up. It's got to double back now a little bit and make up for all this right here. So it's going to jump down and then, then you have that. So that's literally perfect, a perfect example. The previous day high was taken out. It came back down. The market moved back up right there. It did not break this high. So it failed to make support over the previous day high. Yeah. This is a liquidity grab in between this right here. See that? Yeah. It pulled the liquidity and then came down. You have this push up, which if you think about it, you wouldn't be able to see this, right? So you might think that this is going to go up and continue to go up, right? Because look, see? But when you look closer and you see that even though it's making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, this candle and this candle are showing SMT. So I would actually short and then boom.
Awesome. Okay, I got that. I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, and I'm always happy to explain more, so just let me know. Now let's go check back on our little baby down here. How you doing, girl? Oh, look at that. Look at that. What did I say was going to happen? What did I say? I said it was going to make this really easy for everyone today. Buy side did not get purged. That means that these guys right here, these shorts, are still in the market, which means that they need to exit somewhere else. Not here, because these shorts already got fucked right here. So after this big candle, all of these guys that are still in the market, they're going to need to exit down below here. Below here. This demand zone right here is, oh God, we're not doing that. Watch this demand zone. So like the market going to move down into it like it did. It broke. Did this? Yeah, it broke these lows. So this is like I said. This is this internal sell side liquidity right here. What the fuck? Where's? I know I made the. Oh no, maybe I didn't. Woo! Honestly, this is the true buy side liquidity here. Actually, I would say it's right here. And this is still an internal buy side liquidity right here now at this point now. Kilo. Kilo. No, get down. What's the air at, bro? Yeah. Oh, can you move it up? Like 71, yeah. Thank you. Fuck.
I'll be back in 20 minutes.
Okay. Well, Matt, here it is, the play to a T. Look at him. Look at this guy. Fucking asshole. Like, why do you have to do that? Now what is he gonna do? You're gonna put his head through the fucking ringlet? No. Kilo. Kilo. Look. That's all right. The sellers are getting tired again. Look at this. It's going to be like, so whenever you have something like this too, that market structure, it makes for this is a high resistance liquidity run. It's not too bad, but it's a slightly high resistance liquidity run. Pooled liquidity, it didn't like shoot up. So it's gonna be, it has to fight its way down, you know? Dun, 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 dun. So I don't know if this is also like helping you guys see this, but ow, Kila. As you're like watching or explaining this, like you see how the liquidity, where it is and why the market goes where it goes. Like now it's looking like the most liquidity is back up here, where all of these people, like where all of these shorts happened, which makes sense. Like that's their stop losses and shit up here that we're now like these people that shorted right here have their stops like right here. So look at all those orders. So the market is going to want to try to seek those out. Now, looking at this order book, you see like there's not a lot of orders down here. That's below the sell side liquidity. You know, that's like below. Look, this is literally where the market moved. That's why there's no orders left. That was literally the turning point, and the only orders are below it. That's their stop losses. So the market is going to take the little liquidity that it has. It's going to push up. It may get to here. It may bounce back out a little bit before that, but we'll see. And if we have a complete reversal here, then I'm just gonna like leave. But I mean, I paid my money, so I don't care. That's why I always say, like, don't try to predict everything. Just like make your plays. Like you don't need to predict. You don't need to predict that the market's going to go here, then here, then here. Like all you need to know is that it's going to go from here to here, and you're good. Like that's it. That's all you have to do. That's what I want to try to get people like to realize and to like stop looking for these. That literally happens out of luck, like Matt, right? I went on like I just ate. This isn't too bad to go long because they just grabbed liquidity, but I mean it's not. Oh fuck! Yeah, there's towel. Fuck, all my towels in the fucking dryer right now. Fuck. Yeah. Fuck me. Fuck yeah, I'm just gonna honestly have to move and let you do it, bro. Sorry. Oh. I'm gonna have to look. Fuck. Oh, fucking Kiara. She never did the. Damn, that book's ruined. You know the glass? Where's the glass? Right there, yeah. Like a t-shirt and right now. Just grab a dirty shirt out of the fucking hamper, I guess. You know? Yeah, sorry. They're not like dirty, but you know, it's whatever. We got Kilo. We had a small catastrophic incident. Can you hear me? Oh shit! How many do they can hear me? You can just get rid of that mouse pad. Yeah. What? No, I'll wash it. Yeah. Oh. Thanks, bro. Yeah, and of course all my towels are in the fucking dryer, dude. All right, we got to get you a trade now. We got to make you win. All right, how much you have to do to pass the test? I'm gonna make you pass it today. Look at. What for the? Yeah, whichever one you're on. All right, need to make. I was almost. You dried this off, right? Yeah. Oh, here, give me the. Yep. I messed up. Oh fuck! Here, wipe. Just put that over there. It's got. Yo, can you hear me, Matt? Oh yeah, no, my cat knocked everything over. Or no, I knocked everything over, not even my cat. I knocked it. What the fuck? Is my screen sharing? The fuck is this? Oh. And see, look at that. It did exactly what it said. It came close right back up to here. Where'd the liquidity go that I had drawn? Oh, here. So here, grab again the liquidity. I would maybe move this. Actually, be more accurate. Is like, I don't know. I still think this is more of an accurate spot for the liquidity. Honestly, it's just been purged so many times like this that makes me think it's gonna actually reverse and go up. Like we took this internal, so if we don't take this liquidity out, then I mean,
like white, like
that.
no, no. I don't know how it was before, bro. Right like that.
Is that better? Oh, you're good. Now it looks like we're flipping. Like, look. So no kilo. God, fucking little bitch. He's gonna get it today. I know.
If you break down, your receipt in sugar.
So what I'm looking at right now is the fact that Kilo, no. I still think if we stay under here, we're gonna go back down.
And that could be implemented to show right now, maybe.
Maybe, but you would need to see a no. You put your stop loss here.
In 800. If
Yeah.
you're ready to go up, right?
Yeah, but the reason that I don't like that is because see how there's an open like no orders here. The market might go to dump there as exit liquidity, like or as a place to exit, like right in there. But it does look like it's flipped now, and the liquidity's down here. Kilo, no. It just depends if the ES takes the liquidity. So what's probably going to happen here is SMT.
Boom. Candle, big candle.
Look at this. Kilo, stop. So this may be the move that so that this internal liquidity was not purged this second time, which does lead me to believe that we'll purge the internal buy side liquidity here. And if that's the case, then we'll probably try to get to this open range.
Like a double bottom, right? Too.
This kind of, yeah, a little. But see, look, so all that open area, or just push straight through it. It's gonna come up into here now.
And you want to loan right now?
No. You'd want to wait for it to you'd want to wait for it to pull back. He's gonna tap that and dip. Even like from here to here, this is low. This is a higher high. This is gonna like just come like to here. The finger there. And look what's mad funny. I do this buy side liquidity way earlier to this. And look at where all the fucking orders are, bro. And I couldn't even see that before. That's why I say you gotta know what you're doing. You can do this shit like without the indicators. Literally, that's hilarious. I like underlined it. Buy side. I couldn't be more spot on there. You wanted to go long?
No, right now, yeah. Because
You could up that tap right there. You could take a long just a little bit above here, like into this area. But also like this thing is running, so I personally would want to wait. Yeah, wait a little bit. What the fuck was that?
The dollar is melting right now.
Yeah. See this open liquidity right here? There's like a void there, so may snatch up into there a little bit and come back down. This I think will tap the opening range, like I've been saying. Yo, Borean, what's up, man? Do you have a mic? Can you hear me? Like, which one?
What up, bro?
What up, man?
Yeah, I'm just enjoying the view here at work.
Wait, is that so? Are you Charles?
Nah, this Andrew, bro.
Oh, Andrew. Okay, because your name was all right. Sorry, name was different.
Yeah, the username is Borgnino. Yeah.
Should be over there. Yeah. You don't see it. They're not on that. They're not on the tray. Does he have them? Fucking douchebag. Look at him. Look at him. He is cute though. That's the problem. Dude, I think he ruined the last one. No, thank God. What would it feel like? Ow. Ow. What would it feel? That is a trade. Like I was telling Eddie, he could go long on one of these on a pullback. Expect the opening range to be a point of reversal. Wow, I can't talk.
I got buddy with this one dude. He's really super honest, cool dude, no scam shit. He was in Walter's WhatsApp private group, and he trades futures. And he's showing us, bro. I'm in his Discord right now. He's showing us how to trade the Nasdaq, the ES, and
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me, Andrew?
easy money. So I mean,
nice. Well, keep in mind now too. So like, there's this right. It's Friday. Market makers are going to be doing what they need to do to cover and whatnot. So I mean, we're still in we're still in yesterday's range now. Like we broke down below it.
You fill the gap, bro. You say no.
Yeah, it's about to fill the gap right now if it didn't already. And I've mentioned earlier, it was interesting about this liquidity grab is there was that breaker block structure that I had talked about right here. I can't remember which candle. I think I had it on the 5. God damn it, Kilo. Fuck. He has. No, that's like a real thing that's actually happened, yeah. What was I just doing? Shit. Oh. I think I had this on the 5-minute when So yeah, look. Yeah. Look at that. The reason I find it really important to draw these and annotate this and all that shit is because you need to like know the structures. No, Kilo. All right. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Kilo, come. She just no, I don't think there. The curiosity killed the cat, bro.
I'm gonna kill the cat. No, the human killed the cat. But what's interesting too is this breaker block. Literally, the previous daily low held at 50% of the breaker block, like exactly on like both of these, which is really fucking interesting. And look at this, dude. That's a perfect fucking play. Called this to, I mean, make it really easy if you just listen. I'm gonna get Eddie's test passed real quick. It's my goal. Give it later. I think it's over there. Thank you. Oh, fuck, man. The later got ruined. The torch should work. Dude, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Eddie, I'm sick with it, bro. Look. I'm sick with it. That's disgusting. You know what, too, dude? This is exactly power of 3. The if you want to look at, if you want me to show you why. All right, just because this chart's a little bit marked up at the moment, I'm just going to show it on the MQ. All right, so this is all consolidation, opening range right here. So this is literally the market, the candle at the moment. Remember, power of 3 is this. This is power of 3, okay? It's going to make a lot more sense. What does it look like? A candle, right? Guess what? Power of 3 is your typical candle structure. An open, low, high, close. Stop! So a normal candle, whether it's big, little, whether it's this big or whatever, it has the same structure no matter what. If it's red, it doesn't matter. Power 3 can go downward also. But so let me explain. You've got the market opens right here, okay? Market opens right here. It's consolidating, just moving sideways, back and forth. So it's just kind of going like this, like da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. It breaks below the opening range. So the opening price is this line, right? This is the opening price. This is the low. Okay. So look what happens. The market opens, the algorithm, the banks, whatever, they don't want to buy at this price because there's a better price you can buy at. It's this price. So it consolidates, everything gets shaken out, whatever. The market makers manipulate the market to push the market down below the opening price, below the opening range, below the opening price. We're now at a discount price array. So when you're looking here, the market opens, it may move up a little bit, may move up a little bit, right? Then they manipulate it down below the opening price, which is what creates this wick. They manipulate it down, and that's where the banks enter tons of orders. Okay, that's expansion now. It expands all the way up to here. Then the last stage is distribution. So then it comes back down a little bit, and then it closes here. And then the market closes. So now for this so basically what we're seeing here is accumulation, manipulation. Really the most manipulation is right down there, but this is the manipulation. Now we'd want to see expansion. and then it'll come back down and close. That's if this continues to form the structure. And anytime you see a power 3, one of the best ways to enter it is when you have this push down and you have a breaker block like we did here. That this is like your traditional, like this right here, this down, and then dip lower with this. This is a breaker block, and this is literally like, okay, we're gonna probably hit that power of 3. Now, here's the thing though, look at this, man. We got all liquidity down here in a big gap. So if we can't break this over here, then we're not going to get a full power of 3 expansion. Like, we need to get over this to know that we're going to continue to expand. So, but at this point, this would have been your entries down in here, would have been fine. And then, you know, your target would have been the buy side liquidity, which I've been saying, or the opening range. Either of those are perfectly good targets. And from there, you would have been able to, you know, pull out tons of pips. Would have been really good trades. Eddie, I think for you, how much do you need to make on this account to pass it? A lot? Okay. All right.
Yesterday, try at night, right? I did not knock that out, right? I don't know.
Dude, don't trade at night. It's not, there's no volume. You don't want to do it. You don't want to do it.
I don't know what happened yesterday. I was training with 2 counters too. I've been training with one counter, and I lose one counter, and I just want to, I don't know, with 2 counters. You know?
But if you, the thing is, you have to just stop when you just have to stop when you lose. Just if you lose, just stop. Literally, just don't trade again. Look, reversal candle on the buy side. I would short it now.
Sorry, I was thinking that, bro, because the dollar, I was waiting for like a candle for the green for the dollar, you know?
Yeah, I would probably be.
Wait a little more. Look at this. Put the USD, the US dollar. A little more, you know? I don't know. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
I make to turn this. I just make 800, you know, like 800.
Yeah, I'm really thinking this is a short opportunity here, man. Oh yeah, dude, if you short it right when, bro, look, Eddie, I said short it.
Yeah. For the stop loss.
Well, now I would wait. I said short like right at the top of this candle, so you don't want to short now. But you would put your stop right here. Like if you had gotten in right around here when you saw this doji, and you got in right here, you'd put your stop here if you have that much. If not, you could put it just a little bit above this.
Okay.
But if you want to be smart, yeah, if you didn't take that immediate trade, right? If you didn't immediately get into that, then you need to wait for a pullback. And look, right now it's pulling back from the opening range. So let's see if it actually holds or what happens. But there's not a lot of liquidity up here on the ES, like on the way up there. It seems more likely that it would take these gaps out and come back down.
Yeah, but like you said, now the dollar go up, now the dollar want to try to go up, and this share should go down.
And again, look, the dollar index just is like it grabbed this liquidity. I mean, it might just continue to. It could go straight down. It could go straight up. It hasn't. There's no place for it to leave liquidity except for down here below yesterday's low. That would have been a good little quick short, like I had mentioned, but not long lived. I think we're gonna go into this a little bit more. There's so much liquidity there still that it's gonna like continue to pull out of that a few times, I think. Thing is, the buy side liquidity is so much higher over here that it's just kind of like, huh?
The candle's getting not too strong.
There's another pool, another draw on this liquidity. I want to see this go away. I don't want to see it turn green. I mean, I don't care because I'm not in a trade, but I would just like to be right or more right. Nice. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Ooh, if we break this low, we're just out of here, baby.
The show now is good. Maybe right now.
One second. This is above this, so wait for it to wait for this to create a low that's down below these lows or these highs, or a high. Jesus, a high that's down below those highs. Here's divergence again too. See, look that here. Oh. Tell you right now, this will be kind of the determining factor what happens in this area.
How does this spell realize? Like
This volume.
it's just you get it all.
Yeah. Damn, that level flipped to green. So that means we're probably going to continue to go up.
Volume one?
What?
Volume one?
Volume. No volume, space. No N. Space. Order. That first one.
I recognition.
From the very morning, I said it's going to come into this opening range. That's where I think it's going to turn around now. So the other thing, if this doesn't actually like go higher, like way higher, and it doesn't actually do the power of 3 like fully, this still what happened is still a really good market structure to study and like you can still trade this. This would be the market maker buy model, I believe. Like if you not in terms of a market structure and not like the power of 3, it's the market maker buy model. Market maker buy model from this part. And then this could be the market maker sell model if we break down. I don't know. I guess we'll probably want to wait and see.
Yeah.
Oh, we're definitely going down, dude.
And the dollar is getting up now.
Yeah, this needs to flip. We're literally right at the buy side liquidity. We're literally just pulling liquidity. Like the market is sitting here taking people to orders before it literally fucking dumps on them. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a fucking. Literally, this is gonna be the fucking just a dump. I that's what I think. And if this decides to go green, then I'm totally wrong. But I'm really fucking surprised. I swear, right when I say shit like that, that's what happens. I have OCD. That wasn't obvious. Anxiety. What's it doing now, guys? What did I say it's going to do, guys?
Sure, now. They was
I like this little tool. Really? Very fucking lame. What song is it playing? The one in my from like my stereo? Why don't you just use one of the songs from TikTok? Oh, YouTube muted it. Why? But why don't you? If you use a TikTok sound, if you use a TikTok sound, it'll. It shouldn't. My bad. Maybe I'm just not getting it. Oh, shit, there's not all over here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's see this get one more grab into this liquidity watch before the true reckoning downward. Or I can just be totally wrong, guys. Like, this is not financial advice. Money might be too much. Hmm. See, this shows the liquidity down here, but if I open it up to more, it shows liquidity up here. So that's why, like, once again, you cannot just rely on indicators. But this is where it's drawing this other liquidity. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you. Oh, I fucking love this remix. Do we want to bet if I'm right or wrong, like to a T or what? I'm willing to take bets. Look at that. Yep, literally right. Had I zoomed in, I would have been able to tell you. Yeah, it's exactly right there. That It's just the highest, the point of liquidity. It's the indicator doing it on its own. What? No, sir. Wait, hold on. I gotta figure out why this is like super impossible to read though now. Oh, there, okay. There. Whoa, that's big now. That's flipping green, so we're gonna go for all that out there. Previous day high. Will get taken. This is external liquidity. I'm not even gonna fucking. Honestly, that's not even shit. This is gonna get snatched. This would be liquidity, but that's not even really a big amount of liquidity. This is our like external buy side liquidity. This is the farthest we're gonna range to. Like we will not range farther. Yeah, yeah. No, it's not even. Yeah. Are good. Eddie, if it so look, let's kind of talk about what's gonna happen here possibly. We might have a bounce here and then a push up. If the liquidity gets like right now, the target is either down here or up here. Right? These are the two targets right here. Right? The market's either gonna go to here and then bounce down, or it's gonna go to here and then bounce up and then move, right? That's literally it's one of two places. So obviously it seems like it's more likely to go to this. So that's how you have to start looking at these trades. Very small, right? So watch, like market's gonna go here. I'm gonna literally just we'll walk through it. So watch. This became support now. Market's gonna push up off this touch. Look. The buy side liquidity. It's so close to the buy side liquidity, that's where it's gonna obviously run to. So now look. Now we're gonna probably stay in here and catch. The only thing is it's already purged the buy side on the NQ. So you could buy this pullback and just take it up one candle to there. Like, look, this is a very bullish candle. Typically, the next candle after something like this is going to be green also. So this pullback is, recalculating, recalibrating. I would buy it. Like, I would buy right now.
And you stop loss under the big candle.
Yeah. You could even put your. So you should have already done it. It's too late now. Oh. Nice.
Run play, yeah.
Wait. You want it to go down a little. Go like full. You never want to buy full candle. You got to think about everything as a price array. Everything is. See if this flips or goes up. What? Why? That's not viral yet, Matt. Yeah, relax. Relax. I'm not mad. I'm not mad about it, but I'm just saying. That's good. That's good. Don't get it wrong. What I told you? I told you. Did you buy it? What did I literally say, bro? I literally said you can buy the pullback and it's gonna go to the liquidity.
It's getting a pullback again.
No, that's what I'm saying. But you needed to buy this pullback.
No.
Yeah. Look why. Look. You had a bounce off of this EMA. This candle's fucking huge. It's not gonna turn around in one candle. You see this pullback? It lands on the opening range. This candle is green. I was trying to tell you to buy it anytime in here, and you would, and just to here. And that was, 4 points. You could have gotten a solid 4 or 5 points. I mean, it's gonna. I knew it's gonna go a little past this. It's probably gonna go like up to like right here. Yeah, that's a solid. Like if you bought it perfect, you would have gotten it down at here like 89.50, and so 5 points just right there though. Like no downward, no drawdown. That's the type of shit that's easy. We're gonna take this out. Look. That was a perfect entry just to rip that. Oof. Tell me we're going here. We're going here, and then we're going here. That's why I said terminus. Even like this, don't tell you. Don't go hands in the air. You want to? You shouldn't hit this. No, this. No.
No.
Okay, good. Well, my boy just made this song. It's a different NATO aim, I think. LA. Dude, this is amazing. Look at this guy, bro. He's blind. He's a bodybuilder. Dude, good for him, bro. Wow. Bro, what the fuck did they do?
Bro, what the fuck did you do? Bro, what the fuck did you do? Oh my god. Wait a minute here. Yeah, hit me up. It's important though. It's about this track because I have hip hop ties, like big ones. But
Yeah, dude, I had when my first post got like 1 million views, I freaked out. It didn't stop. Bro, look at this, man. I know I did say that I thought it was going to go down earlier, but I mean, quickly corrected that bias, and I think pretty much everybody else in the world would have imagined that this was going to go down. I did initially say, and I will hold on to this, that it's going to go to the opening range. I said it was going to do that at some point. Truthfully, did I think that it would have stuck and gone up more? I really would not have thought that. So I will admit that that is a surprise, but it's not so much of a surprise now. Wow, there's even more liquidity up there. $43.27. Well, yeah, because this order block right here. Fucking nuts. Just stupid easy. Like stupid easy. As if you didn't make money. Alright. Eddie, we gotta get you up. We gotta get you up today, Eddie. I mean, I'm scared to tell you to buy it now, just because, like, I feel like it's
I was thinking to wait to around 50, this range, 50, 50. I'm very sure around this area.
Why are you on the 30-minute chart?
I just put it out, yeah.
Don't use that. Use the 5 or the 1.
50 minutes? No.
Not for trading. Only for finding levels.
Yeah, sample this level around
Yeah.
here. But I made these two tray early, when I told you, and I'm roughing them now,
Did you?
Two trays,
Are you up?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now that the liquidity is
But you see, at 9, no tray. No.
only, you need to trade the if you're gonna trade like around the clock, you need to trade the kill zones specifically. The specific kill zone time frames.
Maybe like it's like 12 a.m.
I'll show you, but yeah, that's one of them. Hold on, I'm just looking at the market structure for a second. Hmm. We're gonna show you the kill zones. Okay, look. This I think works. So these are the times that you want to be trading if you're gonna trade, like only in these times.
The black is no. The black zone is not tray. Like,
Yeah.
what? How you put that? Like in the indicator too?
Indicator, yeah. I mean, but you can just know the times, dude. You know,
Yeah,
really,
like 12 somewhere.
really, you should be trading. So look, uh, yeah, like if you look at it, the kill zone. I have them written down somewhere. I'm just trying to find an article about it to make this a little. What? To create an account? Fucking serious.
So the kill zone went not to trade or to trade.
When to trade? What the fuck? Hold on 1 second, man. Hey, what's up, Caden? Yeah, you're good. Can you hear me? My phone's being fucked up. Hold on. I just had to put you on speakerphone. Sorry. Now can you hear me? Or let me